Good morning, Learning Here Warriors. Today is Monday, May 4th. May the Force be with you. Those of you who are acquainted with Star Wars may understand what that means. We are going to have a Zoom meeting this morning at 11 o'clock again. Your activity is to read the quote on the side and tell somebody what it means. There's also a Star Wars Cosmic Kids Yoga. To prepare yourself for today's Zoom meeting, all of the rules discussed last week are still on the slides. Remember, be present, be on time, mute your mic when you enter. You can ask questions in the chat, be respectful, follow expected behaviors, and most of all, be patient. Today, we are going to watch a review video on equivalent fractions using area models. These area models include your fraction bars or your fraction circles. And you're going to complete a freckle assignment. In reading, you're going to be researching a new topic this week. That's right, no longer researching those animals from last week. In fact, we're going to kind of tie in reading, writing, and social studies this week all together. So you're actually going to be researching a Native American tribe, taking notes, writing about it for a bit, and then there's a reading as well. Spirit Week, today is Make It Monday. Make something. It could be a card, a drawing, a fort. Try to make some kind of food, maybe for lunch or help out with dinner. Find a project online or some type of STEM activity, but try to make something. For social studies today, I will be watching the Brain Pop Native Americans during our Zoom meeting. However, if you're not able to attend the Zoom meeting, then you can watch it now. You're going to need to log in with your Google at EBNet accounts. It's the only way you'll be able to watch it. And then by the time you see this, this will be blue. We're going to be reading Who Was Sacagawea? And we're going to listen to one chapter a day. Try to do the slides in order for subjects this week because it'll be easier than skipping around from reading and math. You have to do reading first or you're not going to have anything to write about. For reading, your goal is to use all you know about reading and research strategies to plan how to study a new topic and use an explaining voice to read with fluency. You're going to review the chart on the next slide, excuse me, to see which tribe you've been assigned. So there are 4 tribes, the Chinook, the Iroquois, the Powhatan, and the Inuit. And then your names are listed below with who is in which tribe. You're going to read the book that has been assigned to you on Epic rather than providing you with links. When you go on to Epic, it shows you your assigned books. Okay. Please note that some of you may need to use the table of contents to figure out what specific page your tribe is on. I have to do that for the Lenni Lenape, which will be our class tribe that we're learning about. They are a tribe that was actually they actually lived in New Jersey, so that's why we study them together. And my tribe is mixed in with other tribes in certain books, so I have to use the table of contents to figure out where they're at, or even the index at the back of the book. So some of you might need to do that for your tribes, especially the Powhatan group. Please remember to take notes. I did add a teacher video from Miss Weisbrod as a reminder on how to do that. Our subtopics we're going to focus on this week, you're welcome, I gave them to you, are climate, location, and tools or resources. So those are the 3 things you should focus on and take notes on as you are reading today. Next is writing. There is a video for you to watch which will teach you how to write long about your writing. You're going to pick a note that you took during your research today. You can do this on lined paper or on the Write Long template. This template is on Google Classroom, just like it has been, so that you guys can get a copy yourselves. So please don't request access to this one. You're going to write long for 5 minutes. Yes, I said it, 5 minutes about your tribe. And you're going to try to use at least 2 of the sentence starters at the side. There's a sample on the next page. So you can go ahead and read that. The highlighted words are the sentence starters that I used. The video will show you how I used the template itself, what my original post-it was, or my original thought was from my notes, and then below it my write long. Math for today, again, you're going to watch an equivalent fractions video from one of the math specialists in East Brunswick, and then you're going to complete your freckle assignment for today. Science, there are some videos for why do some volcanoes explode and others do not. There are some lava experiments, a reading about lava in Hawaii, and then an extension video as well. Again, these are all optional, but I know that you guys made really cool volcanoes and explosions last week, so I thought it could be fun and interesting for you to continue that. Last but not least, coming up is Mother's Day this weekend. So what I've done is I've just looked up some simple projects I thought you could maybe all do at home. Cutting out some different hearts and making a heart bouquet, making a flower pop up and adding some adjectives to describe your mother, a heart wreath, a hand, I love you this much project. You could also write a poem about your mom. You can frame a photo with you and your mom in it. Maybe design the frame. You can just make a regular homemade card, but do try to make something special for your mom. Normally you guys get to do this in school and bring home a special present for her, but this time it's up to you, and if you need any help, I'm here. Okay? Good luck, and I will talk to you all at 11.